Hi, my name's Kai, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Maple Leaf Skewb. I think this is a really cool puzzle that takes a fairly long time to solve, but once you get into it, you can never really stop. It's really fun to solve this puzzle, and I'm really excited to show you how to solve it today. And I really like how these intricate cuts are, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy! Alright, let's get started. But first things first, you're going to need to learn how to solve a Skewb before this, so you can go watch my video on that. Once you learn how to solve a Skewb, we can start solving this. So, first you want to look inside there and look for the white part. So, or since we're going in rainbow order, let's do red. So this isn't red, this isn't red, this is red. So you're going to look on the inside, and you're just going to see that that's red. So here we need to, if we want to bring this piece up here, we can match it up, bring it over there. So we're just trying to get these pieces around the red. So, like that, so you can do all of the red. Here, like that. And if you need to bring a piece here, that's here. If we need to bring a piece up there, we can't, so we have to bring it to another spot, and then we can bring it there. Also, hold on, if we need to bring a piece that's opposite of there, you can just bring it to the bottom, bring it up using the other side, and bring it there, and now we can twist it. So now we have all of these around the red center. And now, since of rainbow order, we're going to do orange. So here, have our orange, and make sure not to mess up what you already did, unless you truly have to, and then you can bring it back. So here I have 2 oranges. There's one, so I can bring it, twist it around, and bring it back. Here I have one on the bottom, so I can bring it, twist it, and bring it back. And now, since it's rainbow order, I'm done with orange. I have to do yellow. So I can do yellow now, like that. And I'm gonna do green because of rainbow order. So we got these 3 around that. Here, since this is our last two centers, if I have to bring like a green to here, but they don't match up like this, and it's the last 2, then you have to bring it to another spot like that, mess up what you already did. Then bring that spot to there. Then undo what you just switched, so like that. And now that's solved, and that's solved. Now, since rainbow order, we're going to blue, so here. And then, since the last 2, once you get the second to last side, you're always gonna get the last one. So here we have all of these with their centers. Now you need to get these petals. So there's one algorithm I need to teach you. So let's start with red. So here, if this red needs to go up here, and the algorithm that switches 3, so it'll switch this one to here, this one to here, and this one to here, is like this. So you're gonna bring this side up, twist, bring it down, and bring this side down, and twist, bring this side up and this side up, twist, bring this side down and this side down, twist. So now this is solved and this is solved. So I can move on to this part. So we can bring that up there and here. So using the algorithm, like that. Bring this side up and this side up, twist, bring this side down and this side down, and twist. So now this one needs to go up here, so we have to actually bring it up like that. and check its other part. So here I can, if I'm solving this to here, this could go here and this would go here. So let's go ahead and do that. So like that. And now we just need the last petal, so this needs to go here. And if this is gonna go somewhere here, might as well get the color that needs to go there. So this is gonna go here, this is gonna go here, this is gonna go here, solving these two. So right up, twist, right down, twist, left up, twist, right down, twist, left up. Now I have my red. So now, because of rainbow order, we have to go to orange. So this is gonna go here, and then green. So this goes here, and then green goes here, solving these two. So we can go ahead and do that. That. Bring this up, bring this side up, twist, bring the right side down, bring the left side down, twist, bring the left side up. Okay. And I can do this one, but this color's here, so I can do that. So right side up, twist, left side down, twist, left side up, right side up, twist, right side down, twist. Now, I just need this last one, so like that. And also, you might get a case where it's like this. On the last one, we need to bring this one up here, but it doesn't work. So we actually have to switch it with a different one. So like that, and then you can bring it. And then once you're done, you can re-switch it. So here I can do this, and it will bring this one here, and this one here, solving this one and this one. So like this. This. Now we have the red side and the orange side, so red and orange. Now we need yellow. So here, this can go here. This, actually, we have to just put it in an empty spot. So here I can do this. This can go here, this can go here, and this can go here. So like that, solving only the top one. Now this can go here, but it's not matched up. So what we need to do is bring this piece to another side, like this. Then we can bring it there, and then this can switch over to, say, here, and then this can go here, solving this one, and this one. So we can do the algorithm. Up with the right, twist, down with the right, up, down with the left, twist, up with the left, up with the right, twist, down with the right, down with the left, twist. So now we can just bring those two back. Now here, because of rainbow order, we need to do green. So I'm gonna bring green there, but I can't because it's on this side. So I have to actually bring this to another part. Bring this there. This can actually go to the white part, and this can go here. So like that, solving two of them. And there. Now we can bring those two back. Now here we need this one to match up with this one, so I can do that. And here I can't put it anywhere else that's unsolved. So since this is going somewhere white, I actually have to do this and bring that part white and then bring it back. So now this is going here, this is going here, and this is going here, solving this one, and this one. So like that. Do the algorithm. And then we can bring those two pieces back. Then you can just solve the rest like a Skewb. So here I'm making the white. And I have to get the yellow, so I can do that. Like this. And this needs to go here, so I can do the algorithm. And like this. Then this can go here, so like that. And your Maple Leaf Skewb is solved. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to solve the Maple Leaf Skewb. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, you can hit the bell icon and to get notified when more of my videos come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!